Welcome to Johnny's Car Care and Reviews. Boy, do I ever have some big news. I've been waiting on my Bronco for quite some time. I've even thought about getting an older off-road Jeep to get the job done. And well, you know, there's this Rubicon right here, 68,000 Canadian. It's a pretty sweet machine. It is king of the off-road and has been for so many years. So, you know, it's tempting. But sometimes things just work out. So these Rubicon Jeeps are pretty awesome. They look great. Fantastic mags. Really nice sized machine. But I hope for most of you, your Bronco will get in time before you lose patience. Because there's the new Badlands Bronco that I've been waiting on. It's actually showed up 18 days earlier. Mary Pierre, my wife, she has no idea whatsoever that it's arrived. I didn't tell her it was supposed to arrive. We jumped way ahead of the list. We originally were somewhere around the 9th, 10th, maybe even the 12th at my local dealer, and we went soft top, and I was supposed to have taken the hitch off. And it looks like it kind of got left out, and I still got it earlier, and it's a 2.7 liter. So I'll be letting you all know how this 2.7 liter performs. About 315 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. Now I know they updated the power specs, so if I got that wrong, I'll just throw in the updated power specs. But tomorrow morning, I'm going home, and I'm not even going to be talking about it. Mary Pierre will have no idea that this has showed up, and we'll let her see that when we let Winston out in the morning. And I'll be giving you all my review of, you know, I've only had it for a few hours now, and I've only been driving it for a couple hours, but I'll give you a few night photos to show what it looks like at night. This thing is gorgeous, and it's huge. You know, if we compare it to the Rubicon in the back, this thing is wide. It looks a lot wider. It looks a lot higher. Tomorrow we'll have I'll be standing in front of it doing a little presentation. I'm 5'10", so we'll see how small I look beside this machine. But those are the stock tires, the stock mags. Of course, it's a Badlands, so it has the Bilstein shocks. They're so far absolutely comfortable, but I need to hit some nasty roads to really be able to do a proper review. But so far, unbelievably smooth, and the motor is pretty powerful. Now, I'll be letting you all know what it's like, but first impression is that this thing is huge. It's wide, it's high, and you feel like the king of the road when you're driving it. This would have been a great machine, but be letting you know if it's worth the wait. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Bronco Badlands is in, so I'm really excited. It just got off the transport truck, And this evening we'll see Marie's reaction, because we thought we were getting this the 28th of September. So it is about 18 days in advance. So great news. I'll be reviewing it soon, as I've had several hours driving it. But for now, I can tell you the excitement is there. It's incredible, and it's ready to rock.